Learn how a CPU bottleneck can limit your gaming performance, what signs to look for, and how it impacts your FPS and smooth gameplay. A CPU bottleneck happens when your processor can't keep up with your GPU, causing stutter, low FPS, and underutilized graphics power. We break down how to identify it, compare CPU versus GPU workloads, and optimize your PC gaming setup for maximum performance. Don't let your hardware slow you down. Learn how to balance CPU and GPU, maximize FPS, and enjoy smooth, lag-free gaming. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or PC enthusiast, these tips will help you get the most out of your rig. Want to check your own system? Go and visit mypcbottleneck.com to see whether your PC is CPU bottlenecked or not. Our Only Bottleneck Calculator with real ray tracing plus DLSS simulation gives you accurate real-world results so you can upgrade or tweak your setup confidently.